This is gonna be a fun video. Sit back, grab your popcorns and watch this. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Y'all better fix that so I can pay my damn bills. Alright, so today, we will be checking how much Discord Nitro costs in other countries. As you can see, this is the price in my country. Let's check the price in the US. Almost $10. Well, that's expensive. Do Americans really love paying that much for this? Now check this out, I heard that Turkey has the cheapest Nitro. So that's 104.99 Turkish lira. Okay, 104.99 Turkish lira equals $3.23. That's super cheap. Now let's check the price in Argentina. I heard that it's cheaper. It's just $5.15 per month, which is kinda cheaper compared to $9.99 though. Let's check how much people in Japan pay for the Nitro. Okay. So that's 1,050 yens, which is $6.79. Wait, what? Why is it cheaper there? Now let's check the UK. Meh. Nothing new, it's just as expensive as it is in the US. I heard that Nitro in Brazil are cheaper too, so let's check that. Okay, so 24.99 Brazilian real is $4.80, which is kinda cheaper. But the cheapest one is in Turkey. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe button. And let me know in the comment section how much you pay for the Nitro in your country.